G'day team, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be fishing on a jet ski for snapper. So get out on there and yeah. Those pines.
Yeah, straight up those pines. Take it around the other side because you can go into the boat.
Yeah.
You can make sure you don't slip on anything. I'll go to the left of you. I'll go over you. I'll go over you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just keep my hands away from your thing. That's it.
Yeah. This is a pretty good one, I think. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at them coming up at the same time. Oh yeah, mine's a good one. That's probably close to my PB. Oh, but he's wrapped himself up.
Okay, then come to the other, it's going to break the break it.
Yeah. Oh, there we go, he's out.
Yeah, don't follow these very close to getting out.
Let's go. Fish on.
Earring.
I think it is a mullet.
Get easy.
Good. Let's go.
Cutie. Nice cutie. Take it. Oh. Take that. That's a gettable gurney, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. They only have to be 25.
Good work, eh?
Keep them?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, because
Yeah, man. PB. Listen to him grunt.
That's beautiful. Look at the wings.
Yeah. Should I tip it out? It's pretty. Oh yeah, I'll put him right on top.
Yeah.
There we go. Good start, man. And again.
Waking up yet? Oh, head shake. Yeah. What's your tension like? Not too tight, is it?
It's pretty tight.
Just to make it a bit lighter. Another one.
Hey, maybe that dot was a fish. No, I said it's probably a shark. Another penny. We can keep him.
Not quite what we want, is it? It's a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish.
It is. It's 30 centimeters. 36 or no, 32. It's well legal, but oh well, no point. Away he goes.
Bit high though.
Yeah, he did. Well, I just let it sink, and then as soon as I came tight, it was on. Yeah, he's tiny. Tiny. You fought well. I'm impressed. You really fought well.
Nice fish. Nice fish.
Almost a penny.
Oh, it is a penny, but we'll come back.
Yeah. I just want to measure this. Hey, I'm not skunked though. I'm happy. I'm just patient. Yeah, no, he'd surely be a killer.
Yeah.
I'll just see. Never mind, I won't see. Ugh. Please don't lose it.
I'd like to see what it is. You want to get this one, right?
Rocky! Can get it in.
It'd be nice to see what it is. It's too high for a snapper.
Yeah. Could be a kawai.
No, I don't think so.
Or a
It's not
trevally.
really falling like that.
Maybe a trevally.
Get a net, get a net.
What is it? Oh my god. I don't want to do that, eh? Oh my. You're joking me. What is that? It's a monster, whatever it is, though. Holy crap. You gotta be kidding. Oh boy.
Please stay on the line.
Did you see what it was?
No,
At least we know it's big.
it's big. Whatever it is. There it is down there. You
What
fun,
is
get
it?
ready? It's a snapper. Okay, so put your rod, put the thing down. You're going to get this. It's a big snapper.
Oh my god. You gotta be kidding.
No. You ready? I want you're not going to carry it in one hand, mate.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna put this down at the last bit when you get him up close to here. Holy.
Ready?